Now, this must be one of the most tricky questions I've seen in the topic of atomic structure. And the question goes like this. An ion X4 plus contains 147 neutrons and 88 electrons. So which of the following could be an isotope of X? You're given 4 options. Each of them you're given the nuclide notation, whereby the number at the top refers to the mass or the nuclear number, and the number below refers to the proton number or the atomic number. So what I'm going to do is this, which I've taught my students, is to write out the ions itself. And this case is X4 plus ion. And what do we know about the ion? We know that there are 88 electrons, and we know that 147 neutrons. And next is to take a look at the atom that forms the ion. So in this case, it will be X atom. All right. So how did X atom become 4 plus ion? It must have given out 4 electrons. So my strategy is to work backwards. Now I'm going to add back 4 electrons, and therefore I know what's the number of electrons in the X atom, which is 4 plus 88, which is 92 electrons. And we also know it's an atom is electrically neutral, and the number of protons and the number of electrons will be the same. They must be the same, right? So it's 92 protons. So in this case, we would have choose option C or D as the answer. So A and B are being eliminated because total there are 92 protons over there, which gives you the proton number. Next, what we need to do is to appreciate that when an atom becomes an ion, something never changed. The number of neutrons, which is inside the nucleus. All right, so it's 147 N neutron number. All right, so when you add them together, that will give you 239, which refers to the nucleon number. So what we appreciate over here is therefore 239, all right, must be therefore here, 239. All right, by right answer should be option D. But you need to focus and take note of another keyword over here, which is an isotope. So it is isotope. Isotope refers to atoms of the same element, all right, of the same element. We have the same number of protons, but different number of neutrons, which means it cannot be 147 neutrons. All right, it can be any number, but not 147. And therefore, the nucleon number will not be 239. And therefore, it must be option C. Hope you enjoyed the discussion of this question to your A in chemistry.